In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bid in Quora Ads. If you're adjusting performance or trying to regain delivery, updating your bid is quick and can make a measurable difference. First, open your browser and search for Quora Ads. Look for the official Quora for Business result so you land on the right place, not a help article or a third-party page. Click the correct link to reach the Ads Manager sign-in. Log in using your business account with the appropriate permissions. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, choose Ads Manager. This opens your dashboard where you'll see an overview of your campaigns. Select the campaign that contains the ad set you want to modify. If you manage many campaigns, use the filters or search bar to quickly find it by name, objective, or status. After selecting it, click the Ad Sets tab to switch from the campaign view to the list of ad sets within that campaign. Here you'll see key details like status, budget, bids, and performance. Find the specific ad set you want to change and click the pencil icon to edit. If the icon isn't immediately visible, hover over the row or check the menu on the right side. The pencil is what opens edit mode. Now scroll down to the Set a Bid section. This is where you control how much you're willing to pay for your desired outcome. You'll see a field for max CPC, or depending on your optimization, it may display CPM or CPA. CPC is cost per click, CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions, and CPA is cost per action. Enter your new bid value in the relevant field. As you type, remember that higher bids can help you win more auctions and increase delivery, while lower bids can improve cost efficiency but may reduce reach. If you're unsure, make a moderate adjustment rather than a drastic one, using your recent average costs in reporting as a guide. Also confirm that the currency and bid unit align with your campaign settings. Once you've entered the new amount, quickly review the surrounding settings to ensure nothing else changed unintentionally. Then, click Update or Save at the bottom of the page to apply your change. The interface may take a moment to confirm, and reporting can take some time to reflect the new bid. That's it. The bid for your selected ad set is now updated. If performance doesn't shift the way you expect, you can repeat these same steps to fine-tune your number. Small, incremental adjustments during stable traffic periods usually provide the clearest read on impact while minimizing volatility.